While WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin, Shopify is a standalone platform that requires no coding or hosting knowledge. Let's compare both across various features to understand their difference in a better manner. Why is Shopify better than WooCommerce? What is WooCommerce? WooCommerce is an open-source plugin that you can add to your WordPress application to turn into an online store. It's not a standalone e-commerce platform. With WooCommerce, you can easily set up an online store by installing the plugin on your WordPress site. What is Shopify? Unlike WooCommerce, Shopify is not an open-source platform but offers a wide range of features to meet different needs. Shopify requires a monthly fee along with a commission on every sale. However, Shopify makes it easy for beginners to build an online store from scratch, even without coding skills. That being said, customization may require professional assistance. WooCommerce versus Shopify, detailed comparison. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where an online store acts as a mediator between customers and vendors, allowing them to operate without holding inventory. To run a successful dropshipping business, you need an e-commerce platform suited to this kind of business. Both WooCommerce and Shopify offer great options for dropshipping. But let's explore which one is better. Cost. When launching an online store, the cost is one of the first factors to consider. So how much does WooCommerce or Shopify cost? WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress, making it a more cost-effective option than Shopify. However, other costs include hosting plans, themes, and plugins. Shopify. With Shopify, everything you need for your online store is included in your pricing plan, so you don't have to worry about third-party hosting, themes, or plugins. Scalability. When it comes to growing your e-commerce business, scalability is essential. If your e-commerce platform can't handle the increasing number of orders, your business will suffer. Here's a comparison of the scalability of two popular e-commerce solutions, WooCommerce and Shopify. WooCommerce. WooCommerce scalability depends on the hosting provider you choose. The more powerful the hosting provider, the more scalable your WooCommerce store will be. Shopify. Shopify takes care of most technical aspects, including web hosting, making it easy to handle larger stores and more orders. Scaling up is also easy, as you can switch to a higher plan as your business grows. Payment gateways. Payment options are essential to any e-commerce platform, including WooCommerce and Shopify. Shopify offers its own payment gateway called Shopify Payments, which is powered by Stripe, as well as third-party payment gateways such as PayPal and Amazon Payments. However, Shopify Payments is only available in certain countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. If you are in another country, you must use a third-party payment gateway, which may come with a cost. User-friendliness. If you are not a developer, user-friendliness is crucial when choosing an e-commerce platform. WooCommerce offers simplicity and customization, but advanced customization may require a professional developer. Shopify's drag-and-drop interface makes setting up an online store easy, but making advanced changes will still require some technical skills. It is essential to carefully evaluate the costs of an e-commerce platform before choosing one. WooCommerce is free to use, but running a WooCommerce store may still involve expenses such as hosting, domain name, and plugin fees. Being fully informed about these costs is essential before launching an online store with WooCommerce. Shopify, on the other hand, isn't free. The pricing plans start from $39 and can increase depending on the scale of your business. Conclusion. Shopify allows businesses to create an online store, accept payments, and manage inventory as an all-in-one e-commerce solution. Shopify's biggest advantage over WooCommerce is that it takes the complicated technical aspects out of running an online business. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.